This is an attempt to build a bridge between our good intentions and the actions we never make by applying psychological solutions through technology to help us bridge that gap. By technology, we're talking about a single platform that will bring donors, NGOs, volunteers, and donees, people who need help, under one roof to paint a whole picture that will allow for an effective, transparent, convenient, and joyful process of people helping each other. The psychological solutions are simply features that will encourage people to donate, that will get people in the habit of helping others, that is convenient, that will connect people to areas that mostly need help, and by building a trusted and incorruptible platform. Let's go over the features of this page. For example, this is the page of the donor. There will be another page for the NGO to manage the requests coming in, another page for volunteers to manage the notifications sent to them by the system to go ahead and verify cases. Okay, and there will be, of course, another page for the people who need help to submit their requests. This is the donor page. Let's have a look at this. As you can see, the page is split into two sections. One section that include the cases in a certain geographical area. In this case, it's UAE, Dubai, and we're assuming that the local NGOs here, for example, Red Crescent, another one here, Beit Al Khair, received requests for these two cases. This is one of the cases, a 6-year-old girl who needs surgery. They received this case from the parents of the child. So what the NGO did, they used the system to send a notification to 5 different volunteers to go ahead and verify this case. So the volunteers, they went ahead and they interviewed the family, they interviewed the doctors, and they created a small video report explaining the case to the public, to the donors. Now the video report will activate empathy in people because they see the case now and they see an individual case. And now they can simply donate quickly through donate buttons that will allow them to donate small amount of money. This way they feel encouraged. They feel that they helped someone today, and the money will be deducted from their wallet. The wallet should be managed through a different entity than the platform itself. So the wallet could be PayPal, it could be Google Checkout. This way we keep the platform away from the funds to keep its integrity. Okay. Another section here is the shared by friends section. Same concept. Cases are shared by friends here to give them more exposure. And this way you will have access to cases from all over the world, even if you're really focusing on one area. Because you could be living in a developed country, but your roots are in a developing country, less fortunate country, and you might just want to help the cases there. But occasionally you will see some cases shared by your friends, and you could help those as well. The social feature of the site is essential. So ideally, this such platform will be built on a top of an existing social network like Facebook or Google Plus, or it could be a second mode on these platforms. So on Facebook, you could have the normal entertaining mode, and then the social goodness mode. Okay, or it could have its own social features where people would simply interact and can send messages to each other. But for this to happen, to generate the momentum and really drive millions of people to visit a site like this, it will need to be sponsored by a big entity. And for this to happen, this concept needs to reach someone who can really make a decision, someone who can bring it to the attention of someone who can make a decision in these entities. And that's where I need your help. This concept is nothing but a picture right now. If you go ahead and share it with your friends and ask them to share it as well, eventually it will reach someone who can make a difference. So please go ahead and share. It could be your daughter in the future. It could be someone who you love who need help. Uh, this will create a better world for all of us, because after all, it makes people better. Thank you.